Welcome back. Amidst stiff opposition from the local farmers, RSS has changed its convention venue from Ravanfond to Navelim. The convention is scheduled from 22nd to 24th December. The members are satisfied with the new venue. Earlier, Shetkaracho Ekward had strongly opposed RSS convention on cultivable land in Ravanfond. They had also threatened of hunger strike.
We are happy that we have got a better place, and Averton has helped us in giving this place, and we are happy that this is a better place for us because we are getting 2 roads here and away from the city. There will be no noise, nothing, and this is actually a good place for the camp. Okay. Which was at your wholesale fish market. So this is after 10 years, 10, 11 years it is happening here.
Shetkaracho Ekward opposed RSS convention on cultivable land in Ravanfond. Farmers had demanded to shift the venue and save the field. They have also threatened of hunger strike. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Kalangud MLA Michael Lobo has demanded that all hoteliers should give 10% service charges to all its employees. He has demanded amendment in Tourist Trade Act.
I have demanded in the last assembly that 10% service charge be included in the Tourist Trade Act. आमचो Tourist Trade Act amend करपाची गरज आहा. तितून 10% service charge employeesank दिवचे म्हणून compulsory. Every hotel has to deduct it from the customer. Customer कडसून deduct करून employeesank दिवपाची गरज आहा. I assure all the employees that this will be resolved before May.
Bravia Sadir Theatre Festival 2014 will be held from 10th to 12th January. 5th commissioned play of the highest international caliber will be showcased.
A wider spectrum to have English, Hindi, Marathi plays. As you know, Manapman, Rahul Deshpande, and for the last 4-5 years, there is a complete revival of the one-time Sangeet Natak, which has been done by several people. The Natka, and the good part is Nipun Dharmadhikari, who is from a very young generation, creatively talented director, has done 3 plays.
Vintage Hospital inaugurated its new state-of-the-art cardiac care facility in association with Fortis Escort Hospital on Tuesday. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar inaugurated the facility.
Many number of patients are under Mediclaim are recommended to Karnataka, Belgaum, Bangalore, Mumbai and the neighboring towns. I feel the people, the patients of Goa need to get the best facilities in all sectors in this state itself at their native place.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.